What's up? My name is Vince Lundy.
And I'm Henry Patrici.
We are partners here at Off the Grid Studios in Cleveland, Ohio. So a quick background here at the studio. There's two other partners along with Henry and I, and we are all content creators. Two of us are filmmakers. Henry does marketing, web design, photo and video, and then we have another partner, Brian, who does photography. And so we decided to create a studio to not only use for our productions and content creation, but we wanted a place to share with the creative community of Cleveland for their productions, events, and more.
So one of the things that we knew that we wanted and we had a vision for was creating a massive cyc wall, which you see behind us now.
This cyc wall is our baby. We built it from scratch, completely DIY.
We knew what we wanted for the studio, we knew what we wanted it to look like, but we didn't know how to get there. And luckily, after a little bit of research, we found a company called Archways and Ceilings who did exactly what we needed, which was provide a CAD drawing of the framing and the entire cyc wall as a whole, and providing these machined parts that are curved that we couldn't get otherwise. As soon as we got that CAD drawing, we were able to go right to the hardware store and get started on our project. So not only did Archways and Ceilings provide us with the machine parts that we needed, but they also gave us a sense of direction with the CAD drawing. We
ended up actually changing the CAD drawing a couple times on them, just because we weren't sure exactly how the layout was going to fit into our studio. And Archways was awesome enough to accommodate with great turnaround time. From that point on, once we had all of the supplies and the CAD drawn up, and just having that peace of mind for something to follow, made the build process actually really fun. There was no arguments or stress. It was just, hey, let's just stick to the plan. Let's stick to the CAD. So that was the real difference maker, I think, for us. By the time we were done with that, Archways had already shipped and delivered right to our studio. So shipping was super fast and convenient.
So now at Off the Grid Studios, we're booking out different artists, filmmakers, photographers to utilize our space with our now new and beautiful cyc wall.
This is just a showpiece that is nothing like people have seen before. We're happy that we can provide that for our own shoots, our own clients, and for the rest of the creative Cleveland community. It's something that we're really proud of. Archways definitely helped our dream become a reality.
So our plan here at Off the Grid is to expand within the next few years, and when we do, we're absolutely going back to Archways and Ceilings for help.